Thank you for joining me today in what will be a delightful crafting session as we create a beautiful Mother's Day sign. This easy to follow step by step tutorial will help you craft a personalized gift that will brighten up your mom's space. Gather your Tumbling Tower Jenga blocks and Dollar Tree craft supplies. These affordable materials will be essential for creating a charming and budget friendly present for mom. But before we get started, hi there, my name is Mary Ellen, and this is my YouTube channel. Life is messy, but I'm learning as I grow. Please take a moment to subscribe so you never miss one of my daily videos. Share this video with someone you think that would enjoy it, and your comments are always appreciated, so please leave me a bunch. You can also support my channel by checking out the shop links on this video. I have included all of the supplies you need to make what we're getting ready to make. So if you're looking for something, especially something hard to find, check there. All right, now let's get this party started. you so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you have a great day. And if you want to watch more videos, you can watch this one over here in the corner next. And don't forget to subscribe, which you can do here. And also, if you're interested, I do have several books for sale, which I have linked down there. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, I have memberships available for only 99 cents a month, and you get 300 videos that only members get access to, plus early exclusives. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit the follow button so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.